Good morning, everybody. Well, something a little bit different today. It's nothing to do with nails, unfortunately. So if you're not interested, you'd better switch off now. But whilst trawling the YouTube videos for various things, I actually stumbled across my 60-minute makeover that I had with Peter Andre back in 2013. I have got the DVD, but with copyright laws, etc., I cannot upload it myself. So I found all the small series that they put on YouTube, and I've collated them all together. I think there are 7 videos altogether. It just little snippets of my makeover, but I thought you might be interested to have a look. So enjoy. It's not an actual video here. What you will need to do is go into the description box and click on the playlist. I'll put a link to the playlist in the description. So from there you can have a look at what happened in my house back in 2013. It was my daughter that inspired it. She's such a beautiful daughter. I wouldn't be without her. And my youngest daughter makes a cameo appearance in there somewhere. I think she's got the long blonde hair. But it was quite funny actually when they filmed, because my daughter's name is Kate. Well, you can imagine all the comments that were flying about with Peter and Kate. Anyway, I hope you enjoy and give me a big thumbs up. See you soon. Bye.